Hello, Planner Lovelies. How are you guys today? I'm doing quite well. So, anywho, I have my June monthly spread for you guys. I could have had it up earlier, but things got a little crazy last week. Let's be honest. So, I don't know if you've seen the haul yet, or if this is going up before the haul. I'm not sure. But I ordered a monthly kit from abOrganizing, which this is a new shop to me. And I wanted to give it a try, and I'm going to try some new shops for monthly kits moving forward. So you kind of get stuck in this, like, I'm just going to order all my monthly kits from one shop, and then you're like, wait a minute, I get bored of that, right? So we have, really quick, 4 full boxes here, like pool water, the headers for the sides, and then the, like, holidays. We have quarter boxes and deco, bill-dos, date covers, icons, and then sidebar, and then 4 more full boxes. So, yes, I'm very excited to use a new shop stickers, and I've got a few things going on here already. I needed one here for last day of school, but I will remember that, I hope. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will talk to you again at the end. So, I hope you enjoy the music. Here we go. Alrighty, everybody. So here is the monthly spread so far. This paper is amazing. It comes up so easily. I don't even know what this magic paper is, but I love it. It's a little thin with the lighter printing. So I whited out the June 2018 and then like stuck some stickers over it to try and hide it. So here's what I have left of the kit. I have that page, a ton of quarter boxes, and then a little bit of this. So this goes back here. For anything that comes up, you can see like right down in here I get really busy for the month. So I'm trying to keep the rest of the month open, but we will see. So I added some Sarah Elizabeth prints and a little Hello Cupcake plans, and that's the only stuff I added. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and if you enjoy them extra, like share it on your social media and, you know, send some of your friends my way. That would be awesome too. Thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you again real soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.